friends, it's another beautiful day. So we're going to go ahead and get our day started. That means you need to stand up, put your hand over your heart. All right, you ready? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay. What is the name of our month, friends? What's the name of our month? May. Good job. It's May. So we need to figure out what today is. So there's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Okay, so if yesterday was Monday, then today is Tuesday. Good job. And tomorrow will be Wednesday. Nice. So let's go ahead and count to find out what the date is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Today is May 12th, 2020. May 12th, 2020. All right, weather watchers, I need you to go check out the window. I'm going to count back from 10. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so we checked the weather. What is the weather doing outside this morning? So is it snowing? No, I didn't see any signs of precipitation today. So precipitation is anything that comes out of the sky, like hail, water, Miss Wayne, rain, snow. Any of that is called precipitation. So it's things that come out of the sky. I didn't see any forms of that, so no rain, no snow. Haven't seen a bunch of wind this morning. Haven't felt a bunch of wind because you don't see it, Miss Wayne. But I haven't felt a bunch of wind this morning. I'm going to say today's going to be another one of those mostly sunny, a little few clouds kind of days. We love those days. It's supposed to be warmer this week too, the temperature. The shape song, as you know, is attached below. And then I have the ABC song. Ready? Let's say our alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Nice job. So, that's our alphabet. Let's look at our shapes today. I'm going to count back from 3, okay? 3, 2, 1. What's the shape here? A circle. Good job. And what color is that circle? Orange. Nice job. Okay. Let's pick another one. 3, 2, 1. Oh, what's that shape? A square. A square has 4 equal sides. That's a square. Nice job. Ready? 3, 2, 1. What's that shape? An oval. Good job. And that oval is what color? It's a shade of pink. Nice job. All right, the counting song is attached below. And you all can find it down in the show more under this video. Counting to 20, get you up, get you moving, get you dancing a little bit, get your brain moving. So we are going to talk about our number of the week. What is our numeral or number of the week? It's the number 5. This is the number 5. What's this number? 5. So how many counters do I have here in my tens frame? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What if you look at that? Half of my tens frame is full. That's so crazy. Half of that tens frame is full with 5 counters. Are we ready to count? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now let's count back from 15. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right. Our letter of the week this week is the letter Q. And remember, it's just 2 big curves and 1 little line. And also remember, as always, if you do not have curves or you do not have a mat, you can trace along with me by just sticking your arm straight out and skywriting the letter with us, okay? All right, so when we're making the letter Q, the first thing we're going to need to use is that big curve or magic C. And then we're going to bring in the other big curve, keep going, and the little line across. What's the name of that letter? Q. And what sound does Q make? Qu. All right, let's trace it together. Start at the top. Repeat after me. Big curve. Keep going. And stop. Little line across. What's the name of that letter? Q. And what sound does Q make? Qu. Nice job. Let's start at the top. Let's try it again. Repeat after me. Big curve. Keep going. And stop. Little line across. What's the name of that letter? Q. And what sound does Q make? Qu. Nice job, friends. All right, that's it for letter time today. Let's talk about our nursery rhyme of the week. This week is the farmer plants the seeds. The farmer plants the seeds. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer plants the seeds. So that is our nursery rhyme for this week. The video is below for our nursery rhyme for the week and all the different verses you can sing. And it's going to be much easier if you follow that video, and then we'll start saying it together next week, not this week. All right, ready? We're going to move on to music, which is Herm and the Worm. We love that one. And the Body Boogie, also a really, really good one. Our read-alouds this week, we've already talked about, are going to be centered around insects or bugs, because we are talking about observing growth. And this part of last week, we talked about plant growth. This week, we're talking about insects and bugs. Okay? So, speaking of that, before I move on, I want to go ahead and check on the grass I have back here. It's looking healthy. If we check it out, I still have, see, look, I ended up with 2 extra little broadleaf. Somehow those weed seeds got inside of my regular, well, probably just because it's from the dirt that was outside, and weeds grow, they stay inside of the dirt. So when I put a bunch of dirt in here, it went ahead and started growing these 2 weeds that I have here. All right, so that is our grass. It's getting tall again. It's definitely growing. We might have to cut it this week. What do you think? But that's the grass. That is the grass. Oh, and here's your daily reminder to water the grass. If you have not watered the grass recently, you need to make sure that you have some water inside your grass. All right? Perfect. So, speaking of observing growth, we have the life cycle of a butterfly, which we started talking about yesterday, and I want to talk about it again today, is that the butterfly life cycle starts out as an egg, and then out of the egg comes the caterpillar, and the caterpillar gets all folded up inside of its cocoon that it makes for itself, and then it turns into a beautiful butterfly. It's going to follow that life cycle forever and ever. That is how it works. I have this really cool book, How to Raise Monarch Butterflies, step-by-step guide. But the butterflies that we have, I don't believe are monarch butterflies. They don't look, the caterpillars, excuse me, the caterpillars don't look the same. But it has a lot of information. See, look, this is what a caterpillar that's going to turn into a monarch butterfly looks like. See, this is the monarch butterfly. They're the orange ones that you see. And this is what their cocoon looks like up here. So I just wanted to share it with you. That's what their cocoon would look like if you're looking at a monarch butterfly. Or if you see these types of caterpillars, then you know that those types of caterpillars are going to turn into a monarch butterfly, which is a really pretty type of butterfly. See, look. They're the orange ones that you see. I had a couple of other. They actually eat, milkweed. They actually eat milkweed. Ours are not eating milkweed. It's eating some type of plant, and it may have milkweed in it, but that's what these caterpillars eat specifically. See, look, check out all these caterpillars. It's a lot of caterpillars. Not reading this book to you because it is really difficult, and it has a lot of words, but I am going to show you. This is what an egg looks like, a butterfly egg. So if you look, if you were looking at leaves, maybe you could go look this week if you want, but if you look at leaves, there'll be this little teeny tiny, and it's really hard to see. That's why they have it magnified here, because this is what it actually looks like when you put it under. Remember that magnifying glass we have in Science Center? When you put it under that, that's what it looks like. Okay? All right. So they just lay their eggs, and then the eggs turn into, out of the egg comes the caterpillar, and then this is actually the phases of a caterpillar in a cocoon. So we start as the caterpillar who's hanging down in this J hook, kind of looks like the letter J, and they wrap themselves up in this cocoon, and then they start to emerge, and they have to come out, and then they dry off, and then that's what it ends up looking like at the end. Isn't that cool? All right. Last thing, we're going to do a butterfly journal together because my 3-year-old friends do not have the caterpillars. We save that for the 4-year-old friends. So I have here our caterpillar. Okay? That's our caterpillar. This is my butterfly journal. I am going to color the front of it. I just have not done it yet. But most importantly, this is my first entry into the butterfly journal. So it just says butterfly journal at the top. And we're going to do this together. I've not sent this home for you to do because you don't have a caterpillar. So the date is 5/12. The day is, this is the second day I've had the caterpillar. And I'm going to write an observation. So my observation for us, for this caterpillar, is that it is black. So I'm going to write it is black. So my observation for today was just that it's still a caterpillar. Today is 5/12. It's the second day I've had the caterpillar, or that we have had the caterpillar, and it is black. That's our observation. I'm going to draw a little caterpillar over here for us, and we'll review this tomorrow. All right, friends? So again, here's another good look at your caterpillar on our way out. He's not grown too much, but he's going to soon. All right, friends. I love you all, and I miss you, and I can't wait to see you soon. Be nice to each other.